Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pause a download so that another download can complete fast. So let's say you're downloading a game like this one. You can see it's currently downloading. You can actually see the progress at the bottom there. And also this game is downloading. But let's say, for instance, I need this game right now. So what you need to do is simply go to the game you want right now. So just navigate to the game you want right now, select it, and you can see the progress. It's actually been installed because of the other one. So to pause the other one, tap on download options and then select download this software fast. Now once you select that and then go back and close, you'll notice this download is gonna pause and then this one is gonna get downloaded fast. So that's basically how to pause downloads so that you can download another software fast on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.